Hello, my name is Jamie Brand. I'm one of the 7 regional agronomy managers that work for 360 Yield Center. And just want to share a little bit of insight when we talk about corn funneling effect, we talk about stem water, and really what does that mean? A lot of us walk out in the fields after a heavy dew or after a shower that hardly even got the pavement wet, and we're seeing rings down around the base of these plants. But when we start looking at root uptake and what does that really amount to? So I'm out in the field today where I'm doing some testing, and I really wanted to understand what type of differences of rain, of water that we got when we got a rain event. So last night we got about 3/10 of rain. I actually had these buckets that are underneath this board set up. I had one on the perimeter. I had one underneath this plastic here, which I've got molded around this stalk. Basically, it captures everything that runs down this stalk. And then I had a bucket that sat right in the center of the row. So at the end of the day, we got 3/10 of rain, was measured in the bucket on the outside. Just to quantify it, I put it into jugs. So right here is the jug that was sitting out by the road. It has about 16 ounces of water in it. This jug here was set up and I poured out of the bucket that was in the center of the row. And we've got about 7 ounces of water in it. This I poured out of the bucket that I had tied to the stalk that basically came out of this hole right here and basically ran into this bucket, and we got 24 ounces. So basically what we're trying to understand is what is the value of the funneling effect of the corn plant. The natural effect of the way the corn plant was built is to funnel itself, basically to funnel water down into the roots of the down into the heart of the root system. And so basically we got 3x the amount of water right here than we did here. That's why in a lot of times when we go out to fields, we've had a good rain shot and we're kicking up dust in the center of the row. And when we dig up the corn plant, we're basically digging up a root ball that is wet, that is moist, that has water around it. And when we continue to look at nutrients and nutrient placement, basically if this plant is screaming for a nutrient, how are we most likely going to get that into the plant? And we continue to look at offerings from 360 Yield Center. We've had great results with Y-drop of placing the nitrogen by the base, taking advantage of this 3x. Sometimes with some hybrids it's 4, sometimes it's even 5x, really depending on leaf structure, and pounding that water into this plant. So basically last night, every plant, every stalk, every root system with 3/10 of rain got about 24 ounces of water to drink to put into soil solution up the plant. So with that, that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for all your support of 360 Yield Center, and we hope and look forward to seeing you at our proving grounds here in August. Thank you.